Hello everybody. So today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about vector. So now I will show you how to answer. Find points B and D show that ABCD is a square. So we know that this is about a square, and I will put about point A, point C, and this is about diagonal of the square in here. So in the center, I will put about O. We can find the coordinate of O by, we know that O is the center of the square, so we need to find the center in here, and we have SO and YO. That is about SA plus SC divided by 2, and YA plus YC divided by 2. So SA we have 406. SC is about 990 divided by 2. YA is about negative 336. And YC is about 107. And we will get about 698. This one you will get about negative 114.5. So coordinate of O, that is about 698 negative 114.5. The next one, we know that BD, they are perpendicular at the center O in here. So we need to find vector AC. That is about 990 minus 406. You will get about 584. And the second one, 107 minus negative 336. You got about 443. And this is about the normal vector of BD because we have perpendicular in here. So we have O in here, and we can find the we need to find the equation of BD. So we have 584 multiplied by 698 plus 443 multiplied by negative 114.5 plus C. So I apply the formula that is about AX plus BY plus C equals to number 0. So A and B, that's about normal vector, S and Y, that's about coordinate. So we need to find the value of C in here, and you will get about negative 356,908.5. So the equation in here, that should be about 584s plus 443y minus 356,908.5. Because I want to create about the equation of BD, and we know that at O we have a circle that go through on 4 points in here. So we know that OA OC, that is about the radius of the circle. So we need to find OA, and that should be about OA equals to the square root and 6, that's about S of A minus O, that's about 698 square plus Y, that's about negative 336 minus this value in here, negative 114.5, everything to the power of 2. So we got about the square root of 537,305 over 2. Now we have two equations in here. The first one, that's about the circle. So we have S minus the value of O in here, S minus 698 to the power of 2 plus Y plus 114.5 to the power of 2 equals to 537,305 over 4. The second equation, that is about this one in here. So we put this one, go to here, and now we need to find the solution of S and Y. So we put this one, go to the right, and later that we divide both sides by 584. So we put S, go in here to find the solution of Y. So in this situation you can do by yourself, and we have two couple solution in here. And here is about the answer for the question. That's about 953 over 2, 355 over 2, 1839 over 2, negative 813 over 2. So this is about B and D, or maybe that's about D or B. This is the end. Thank you for watching.